let's do a quick walkthrough on how to get started with making a class notebook in Teams. I want this new class that I've made to have a OneNote so that I can easily share resources with students so that they can do their assignments in their own OneNote so that we can collaborate together. So you'll notice this does not have a OneNote yet, and we're going to make one right now. So I'm going to click Set up a OneNote class notebook. And I'm going to go with blank. Forevermore, we'll be able to get to it from this tab. There's a few different portions to a OneNote. We have collaboration space where everyone can edit. We also have the content library, kind of where I can put files that students can get to easily. Notice I do also have files inside of Teams, but it's kind of nice to have it within the OneNote. There's also the teacher-only section where I could just put my own stuff. You also could just have your own OneNote and not have it in that class. But in a way, it's nice to have notes that you want to make for the class in that class's notebook. All right. Also, the students get their own space. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. All right, notice it kind of fills in sections that it thinks you might want. You can also add in some that are specific to your class. Maybe it's a science class and you want there to be a labs section. Notice how it says here student name as a template. Every student will have these sections. I'm just going to go ahead and keep these. Takes a moment for it to generate the OneNote, but it's worth the wait. A couple things that I love about the OneNote. It is such a great tool for free-form editing. So here, it's already done. Notice there's some notes that it throws in already just to help you out as a reference. Up in this corner here, that's going to show us all of the sections. So we have collaboration space, content library, and just my space. Great. I can add more sections here or more pages to any one section. I'm going to go into the teacher only area. Again, notice how it's given me some information. I'm going to go ahead and add a page. Well, I can easily add in notes that I want to write. I can change the style pretty simply. But I also want to point out that I can draw. Now, right here I'm on a desktop, so not as easy, but not too bad. If I'm on a Surface tablet or say an iPad, it's really easy to add in your own notation. And there's also some extra features. It's important to remember that the OneNote is its own hyper document. So, for instance, I can add a link to any text so that the students can receive the document from me and then have it connected to other things. I can record audio directly into the file so that I can give direction to the class in that way. I can also add video to the OneNote so that my asynchronous lesson can be right there on the page to help students through the assignment. We can also add some fun stickers. I hope you enjoy working with OneNote with your students.